In this video, we take a deep dive into the 2026 Chevy Nova SS 396, a modern muscle icon reborn for today's streets. From its aggressive stance to its thunderous performance, the new Nova SS 396 blends raw American power with contemporary refinement, making it a standout in the performance car world. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Nova SS 396 pays homage to its late 60s heritage while embracing a more aerodynamic and futuristic design. Up front, a bold blacked-out grille flanked by sleek LED headlights gives the car an unmistakable attitude. The body is sculpted with sharp lines and muscular curves that flow seamlessly from front to rear. A low-slung hood with dual heat extractors hints at the beast beneath, while wide fender flares and 20-inch forged aluminum wheels add both style and substance. Around back, quad exhaust tips, a rear diffuser, and LED taillights complete the aggressive look, while the SS badging reminds you this is no ordinary Nova. Inside, the Nova SS 396 surprises with a blend of retro cues and modern comfort. The driver-focused cockpit features a flat-bottomed steering wheel, a fully digital 12-inch gauge cluster, and a heads-up display that projects speed, gear, and navigation onto the windshield. Premium leather seats come with contrast red stitching and offer both heating and ventilation. Carbon fiber trim accents the dash and doors, while a 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a custom performance telemetry app built into the system, letting drivers track lap times, G-forces, and engine data in real time. Though this is a performance machine, the cabin is surprisingly quiet and well insulated, with dual-zone climate control and a premium Bose audio system rounding out the comfort features. But make no mistake, the heart of the 2026 Nova SS 396 is its engine. Under the hood lies a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V8 pumping out a monstrous 525 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque. Mated to a 6-speed manual transmission or optional 10-speed automatic, the Nova launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a limited slip differential, and drivers can select from multiple drive modes including track, sport, and tour. Brembo brakes at all 4 corners provide confident stopping power, while adaptive magnetic ride control keeps the Nova composed during aggressive cornering or cruising on the highway. The suspension tuning strikes a fine balance between daily drivability and all-out performance. As for pricing, the base 2026 Chevy Nova SS 396 starts at around $52,000, with fully loaded models reaching close to $62,000 depending on trim and options. That places it competitively among modern muscle cars like the Dodge Challenger SRT and Ford Mustang GT500, while offering a unique retro-modern appeal. Overall, the 2026 Nova SS 396 is more than a revival, it's a declaration that true muscle is alive and well. It delivers blistering performance, striking design, and everyday usability, all wrapped in a nameplate that carries decades of American automotive history.